Workout Wednesday. Thanks for coming. Let's get it moving.
You feel bad? This is gonna make you feel better. 5 exercises at your house, 5 minutes. Try this now. The experience came through thousands of hours of working with clients, 6 days a week, 15 years of pretty much living your life in a gym. Went to college, exercise science, really just devoted most of my life just trying to have fun, understand the body. Just your typical Achilles calf stretch, your heel drop. Get the bottom leg, turn straight, maybe even a little inwards. Drop that heel down and just hold. Pick a step, any step, whatever step works for you. Get your bottom leg straight. We can just start rocking. Try to get the front of the hips. Just a light rock. You get a little butt squeeze. You get a light rock. You get a front stretch hip flexor. You get a little twist. Oh, golf time. Both sides. Twisting into your body, twisting into your hips. Got the bottom leg pretty straight. I'm gonna try and get a twist this way, hold. You can feel that twist in the hip, hold. It's really the only opportunity of the day to get this motion of the hip. A couple seconds to try and counterbalance a day. Feels good. Back to sides if you want. Feeling a little spicy. And a little lateral hip. Drive it. One goes one way, the other goes the other way. And then again, you got your forwards, your backwards. Pull them through. Stairs are nice, you get some leverage, get some bars, get something to pull onto. In the gym, for years, they had a stretch cage. Take all your clients there. You know, you got people of all ages. This alone might be the stretch. You might be there. This is the beginning and the ending. But you want a little more? Keep a good little bend of that knee, dip forwards over the hips. You want to try and keep it in that belly of the hamstring, right? Don't keep your knee locked and it becomes too much of a calf stretch, unless that's what you're looking for. But you want a good hamstring stretch, which will help you not lock up, and especially over the next stretch or two, when you're hitting the quads, get the hamstring stretched out first. It'll help avoid a hamstring cramp when you're doing it. So you got your hamstring stretch. Keep a little bend on the standing leg. Stay strong, that's where your weight is on this bottom leg. Hinge over your waist. Get that stretch in the stretching hamstring leg. Rock that leg even if you want, side to side. That'll get the left and the right part of that hamstring. You got 2 main muscles of that hamstring. And one hurts way more than the other. You can hold on one side of the turn, but try and just stay within that stretch the whole time. 30 seconds, a minute. You can go 2 minutes on a stretch if you're super tight. You're looking for a glute stretch, looking to help your lower back. Take your outside leg as you're standing next to your step, cross it over, whatever step it hits, that's where you're going. Line it up and just bend over that waist. Try and see if you can lock it in, that outer glute, that outer hip. Work on bending to see which way puts that stretch where it needs to be. This is the mean one right here. This is called the humbler, because you could humble a lot of people with this, because it's pretty brutal. Kind of like a can opener to your own human body. Put your leg behind you, abs in, button, little jump forwards. Hold on that glute on the back hip. Down slow, hold that quad hip flexor. And just hold. Hold strong on that front leg. Drive up. If you actually watch this, you absolutely have to like and subscribe, comment, give us a little bit of love. More good things to come.